Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about cryptocurrency in India. Let's start. Our today's question is the fact that cryptocurrency has no legal classification should not be the imputes to prohibit its use in India. We have to comment on it. Means our personal comment added in it in measure section or in way forward. We can use that. First of all, we need to provide cryptocurrencies definition, what is it, and then what are the benefits of it and what are the concerns regarding it in India and why it was in news recently. You can also include it in the introduction section. Let's start. Our significance of this question that can be asked in GS paper 3 under the IT and computers, mobilization of resources, growth and development and issues related to development. Our introduction would be cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography. It works on blockchain technology like Bitcoin, Dash, Ripple. These are some examples of cryptocurrency. What is happening recently? Recently, El Salvador, a Central American country, is the first country to use Bitcoin as a legal tender. But India is working out on a different path than rest of the world because recently RBI imposed ban on the use of cryptocurrency, but the case moved into SC, which is Supreme Court of India, and he revoked the ban and recommended RBI, Reserve Bank of India, to regulate the cryptocurrency rather than banning it. What are the benefits of cryptocurrencies? It reduced the cost, saved time, then it was also user friendly, then it was accessible to all. It also eliminated the banking payments, also promote mobile or virtual payment, then no transaction fee need to pay and easy currency exchanges. Then it was self governed, then it also reduced corruption with accurate transparency and tracking mechanism. Then what are the concerns regarding cryptocurrencies? It may cause of cyber attack and hacking, it was increased. Then it was highly volatile, irreversible and no security in case of loss of money. It may hamper our investments. Then it is a no central authority to regulate it, can be misused like it can used to encourage money laundering and terror financing. Then also cause of e-waste generation and also increase greenhouse gases emission and carbon footprints. Then it also create digital divide due to lack of resources and awareness. Then suggestions and why India need to regulate it rather than banning it. Regulation is a solution to protection to protect investment. Strong KYC norms and clear definition of cryptocurrency is needed. Then need more investment and awareness among the people. So many countries permit its use to stop its misuse or illegal use. Gambling is banned in India, but undercover all happens, which led to revenue losses for the country and economy too. So many experts, researchers of cryptocurrency left India. It was brain drain. We need to stop this brain drain by regulating the cryptocurrencies. As every market, cryptocurrency was also spread its arms in future and building so many employment opportunities. We need to grab them properly. Then our conclusion would be government should use its as an opportunity and allow private and individuals the right to harness a powerful new technology in the form of cryptocurrency, set up with the world and generate new startups and employment opportunities to make digital and prosperous India. Then cryptocurrencies and regulation of official digital currency bill 2021 by the government of India is a right step in this direction. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.